Seacoast Building and Design values contracts that allow us to handle multiple construction trades within a single project. Before we chose the name Seacoast Building and Design, our goal was to offer property owners a range of building trades in which we excelled. The Lakewood Ranch property owner was delighted that Seacoast Building and Design could complete the re-roofing of their home, install a new full-picture window lanai with super screen, and carry out all interior remodeling. A full-picture window lanai with super screen combines the benefits of a panoramic view with the durability of a super screen mesh. This type of lanai enclosure features a large, unobstructed window area, maximizing the view of the surrounding scenery. The super screen provides exceptional strength and resistance to tearing, pets, and weather, making it a long-lasting and visually appealing addition to any home. The home's roof was replaced with a low-profile, New Point Saxony 900 slate roof tile in Chestnut Burnt Lake, Wales. It airs a beautiful design representative of styles found in England, Northern Europe, and the U.S. Eastern Seaboard. Versatile enough to accentuate any architectural style, the Saxony 900 tile is a superior roofing solution specifically designed to excel in Florida's unique climate and building requirements. Westlake Royal Roofing Solutions' commitment to innovation has resulted in a tile that optimizes installation, reduces costs, and enhances protection against the elements. Crafted from durable concrete, the Saxony 900 slate roof tile offers exceptional strength and longevity, ensuring your roof withstands the elements for years to come. We understand that every residential and commercial customer may have different needs. Therefore, we expertly tailor each project to preferences and budget. You can count on Seacoast professionals to deliver top-tier workmanship, whether it's a new roof, lanai installation, a repair, or maintenance. If your Southwest Florida home, condominium, or business requires roof repair or replacement, you now have a reliable resource to turn to with confidence.